All right, so if anybody's been following me, they know that my table saw, my Delta table saw went down about a week ago. I guess it's been about 9 days now. So the next day, I called the warranty department. They said it was bad electrical capacitors. They said they're going to ship me new parts. Thursday of last week, parts came in. Very clean process there. And I just haven't had a chance to put them in yet. So today's Tuesday of the next week, so about 9 days since my table saw went down. I want to try to put in the parts. Hopefully there's instructions in the package, because I didn't see really many instructions online, so we'll see what we can do here. Now, first thing you want to do is lower your table saw blade all the way and disconnect your power. And then you want to come to the side of the saw. There's two Phillip head screws that you're going to have to remove to gain access to the capacitor. The first one's right here underneath the circuit breaker reset for the motor. And the second one is going to be right here. And then this just kind of slides down. All right, so once you get the bottom shroud off, your electrical capacitors are right here underneath your motor mount. This big one is going to be your run capacitor. The small one is going to be your start capacitor. Here's the orientation of the wires. Okay, on the large one, you've got 2 blues and 1 red. And on the small one, you've got 1 yellow and 1 black. So I would take a picture of this before you disassemble it so you can put the wires back where they belong. I did. Or you can pause this video and that's what it looks like. All right, so once you're done replacing the capacitors, you're going to take your shroud again, and you're going to put it back up in here. If I can find the orientation of it, there we go. I had it backwards. You take your shroud, your bottom shroud here, and you're going to put it back up in here. Remember, there's a little tab here that needs to go on the other side of that screw hole. And then you've got this little cable mount here. I'm trying to do this one-handed, so this little cable pass-through that you gotta make sure you get into as well. All right, so the bottom shroud just sitting there. Just make sure you get this electrical cable through that pass-through. And now all you have to do is install that screw and install the screw that's under here. All right, power's back in.